Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tank. Today is the 17th of January, 2022. In this video, we're going to be talking about what's going on in the charts for Atom. I'll be giving you guys my 2 cents about what I'm seeing in this chart, as well as where I think things might be going in the short to near future. Before I jump into any of that, if you guys would, though, do me a huge favor, like this video, subscribe to the channel. I will have you know that when you do subscribe to my channel, not only are you helping me grow here on YouTube, but you could possibly win yourself a 50-inch flat screen TV and or MSI 2060 GPU once we hit 1,000 subscribers. So do me a favor, do yourself a favor, do the entire Cosmos ecosystem a favor, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and just jump on into things and keep it short and sweet. Just for reference, we're starting off on the 1 hour time frame. And as always, I'm still using Market Cipher as my primary oscillator and indicator tool of choice. Right now, as you guys can see, we are seeing some sell pressure, but with every ebb, there is a flow. With every pump, there is a dump. It should be expected. At a glance, all I'm seeing right now is us basically go sideways ever since coming back up to this level on the charts, which is right around $34 to $44. We've been doing it ever since the beginning of this month, and that is a good thing, guys. I know it's not the most exciting thing, but if we just go sideways and take a crabbish stance on the charts, hey, it's a good thing, guys, because all we're doing is laying down a base layer of support on the charts for us to build upon, and we need good support levels going forward in order for us to see those higher price points in the future. So again, guys, try to keep that in mind as you guys are patiently waiting. To go back to the current moment, though, as you can see, we are having a little bit of a pullback. Now, on Market Cipher A, which houses the candles up here, this is the top section of the charts. Let me show you guys what I have charted right here. Now, I have this pretty long going trend line to the upside that is so far held up quite well. Until it invalidates, I'm not going to move it, guys. I've had my one touch here, which began in December 20th. I had my second touch here. I had my third touch here when it came down and tested it. And so far, so good. It's held up. I'm not going to take it off the charts. It's still holding up. It's not invalid until it gets broken. I'm not going to try to fix anything. I'm going to leave it right there. Right now, we are still well above the 200 SMA on the 1 hour time frame, which is this yellow line right here. And as you can see, what I've done on the top section of the charts here, which was previous resistance, was projected out after I got two touches, one being here, the second one being here. I've projected this resistance line that I have. And as you can see, we're basically coming down right now and retesting it to see if we can flip previous resistance into support moving forward. Now, we could thread through it. We don't actually have to fully stay above it. We could thread through it and still count it as a good level of support. If we do something like this, this is what I'm talking about, and then come kind of up and come back down and test it again and then bounce yet again. We could do that over the next day or two, and that's absolutely okay. Now, if the market decides to take a nosedive, of course, we're going to get dragged down with it, no matter how strong the Cosmos ecosystem is. And I think it's very, very strong, guys. I think it's one of the best ecosystems to be in currently. If we do get drugged down with the rest of the market, we could be looking at right around here, this SMA to hold us up as a good level of support, which is right around $39. But then again, I'm looking for this long going trend line of support that I have to be the ultimate level of support, which is anywhere realistically about $37 to $38 on the charts. Now, I specifically have it being about $38.62. But then again, we could thread to it, especially if selling pressure has momentum, kind of like this, before coming back up and maybe getting us back up into this ultimate wedge pattern that we have on the charts. That's what I'm seeing right now in the charts, guys. If we take a look at Market Cipher B, which houses the RSIs and the momentum waves, you can see that the RSIs, which are a lagging indicator, are clearly pointing back down right now. So we should expect some more further selling pressure probably to be coming in on the charts. But on the momentum waves, the one thing I do want you guys to pay attention to, now I'm not telling you to front run anything when I say this, but just kind of pay attention to it because that's what I do. Doesn't this look like a shoulder and a head, and possibly us maybe finding support, coming back up, maybe getting some more resistance, creating another shoulder and going sideways before ultimately possibly coming back up and making that move upwards, because we all know what an inverse head and shoulder is, right? It's a bullish signal. Now, you can find those all over on the charts. It doesn't have to be on the candles. You can find it all over on the charts, and that's what I'm seeing right now with this momentum waves. Don't front run that because I could be absolutely wrong. I'm just paying attention to it because it looks like it could be a pattern that is forming on the momentum waves. But that's what I got right now, guys. Be mindful of your positions. Stay in profits. Be blessed. Peace.